Hello, nobody who watches my videos. We're going to do another unboxing. Because I like unboxings and I like making videos. And it'd be really cool to do an unboxing. That's how a knife should cut. Just cut, cut, cut. It should be quick. People need to learn to sharpen their knives. I hope that's one thing we can agree on. If you're going to do an unboxing, have a good sharp knife. And these little air packages, see, what you do with these, so you get your dog or your cat, you sneak up behind them and go like that. That's what you do with those. You scare the shit out of somebody. This is an unboxing. Well, this is part one, I guess. I'm going to clean up my little desk and do an unboxing of it, and then I'll see you when it gets done, if anybody cares, which nobody will. I don't know why I'm talking. So far, the only thing I don't like about this is you can't store, if you can tell, you can't have one of these on the bottom and use the trigger at the same time. That's dumb. That's stupid. They should have put this part on the side. They should have had a little clip on the side or the back and just use it like that. Have it on the side instead of on the front of it where you can't use it. You can tell I can blow this USB cable along, and it's not real heavy, but that's pretty. Watch. But yeah, this is the Opolar cordless air duster. Comes with two of these little things. You can switch watch them. I'm sure there's one of these called a Hurricane or something. It's a similar looking, probably the same exact. All these companies copy each other now. But yeah, this one I got an idea. The reason I bought one of these is mainly we can find something. Let's see if it'll work on this fan. Look at all the dust coming out. Let's see if I can do it out the reverse it. So if you look in the little crevices right here, you can tell that it's not clean on these little plastic front ends right here, but you hopefully could see it was blowing all kinds of dust out of it. All kinds of dust and lint and dirt was just flying out of this thing. I don't know if you could see, but there's that orange light, so I don't know if that means it's working or if it's, I don't know if it's just if it means it needs charging or what, but I don't know. This front part here, I could just take this front part off and just clean it with a Clorox wipe or something. But, yeah, I like this little duster. I think everyone needs to buy one. Instead of buying one of those, have to plug it in and buy an extension cord and carry it all around you. And let's try this. Hopefully you can see all that dust. All that dust flying off of the shelf, but made me sneeze my damn head off. I'm gonna go upload this video and hope someone watches it. Nobody cares about me.